How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account easily. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to do that exactly, and I will do this using my Android phone, but you can always do so on your iOS device as well. Okay, as always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Okay, first off, just fire off your favorite browser, and from there just Google Snapchat support, or you can use whatever search engine that is available to you for your browser. From the Snapchat support, just click contact us, and from there you can choose I think my account was compromised. You can scroll it down below. Snapchat will need your complete details, so you can enter your username, your email, your mobile number, and what's the most important is what information that we should know. So maybe if you lock it by accident, or maybe if your account was hacked by someone else, just provide a good enough reason for Snapchat to be able to make sure that you provide a good enough reason for Snapchat to be able to respond to you immediately. So for example, you can say I lost my phone, or I have my account compromised since, and also maybe provide like when was the last time you were able to log in successfully, or when was you think your account was compromised, quote unquote. If everything goes well, Snapchat team will respond to you in 24 hours. So make sure that you click the send button after you provide the captcha. And that's pretty much how you recover your locked Snapchat account. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. I hope it helps. Cheers and goodbye YouTube.